Hello students, this is the part 4 video of exercise 2a. Okay, in part 3rd we have done till here. Okay, let's see 7th question. Okay, what is question saying? See here, find 3 rational numbers equivalent to this one. Okay, now let's see, here is one hint is given. Okay, 4 by minus 7. Okay, we have to find 3 rational numbers equivalent of this. So we will multiply with 2, 3, 4. Okay. But when we multiply with 2, we will multiply in both numerator and denominator. Okay. So let's see here. 4 into 2, what is given? 8 becomes minus 7 into 2, it becomes minus 14. Okay. Again see here, 4 into 3, 12, minus 7 into 3, it becomes minus 21. Okay, we will multiply 3 in both numerator and denominator. Again see here, 4, we will multiply with both numerator and denominator. It comes 16 by minus 28. Then we will write rational numbers 18 by minus 14, 12 by minus 21 and 16 by minus 28 are equivalent to the given rational numbers 4 by minus 7. Okay, now students, let's see. First one you will do. Okay, you will try, students. Now I will tell you this one. Okay, fourth one, 7th, 4th. Okay, now let's see here. Question is saying 8 by minus 15. We have to find the equivalent of 3 rational numbers of this. Okay, now when we multiply with 2, okay, first we will multiply with 2 in both numerator and denominator. Sorry, minus 15 by 2. It comes, students, tell me, 16 by minus 30. Okay, now we have multiplied with 2. Now we will multiply with 3. What we get, students? Tell me. We get 24 by minus what? 45. Now we will multiply with 4. Okay. Tell me, students, answer. 32 by minus 60. Okay. So students, we are looking. We have find it 3 rational numbers equivalent of this. So here we will write rational as your rational numbers 16 by minus 30 and 24 by minus 45 and 32 by minus 60 are equivalent to the given rational number what? 8 by minus 15. Okay, this is the answer. Now students, let's see 8 question. What is question saying? Let's see. Which of the following are not rational numbers? Okay, we have to find, is there rational numbers or not? Okay, now let's see first one. What is given? Minus 3. Students, you know, minus 3 we can write denominator as 1. We will write minus 3. So we can change this minus 3 in fraction form. So it becomes rational numbers. Again see this one. 0 by 1 we can write, students. So again this is rational numbers. And this is already written in the fraction form. So this is rational numbers. Now see this one. Students, when we write 0 in denominator, this is wrong. Now we cannot write 0 in denominator. Now this is not a rational number. Okay. Now let's see this one. 0 by 0. This is rational numbers or not? This is not a rational numbers. As numerator and denominator both are 0 now. That's why this is not a rational numbers. Now students, let's see 9. Okay. Now express each of the following integers as a rational numbers with denominator 7. Okay, we have to write what? Integers as a rational numbers. This is written in the integers form. Okay. We will change in rational numbers with denominator 7. Okay. Means here is one hint is given, that is -8. Okay. In denominator 7 is multiplying with 7 in numerator also, and denominator we will write 7. So it becomes -56 by 7. Again see, this third one is doing here 0 is equal to 0 into 7 by 7. So it becomes 0 by 7. Now students see here. We will do fourth one. Okay. See, -16 students. See here. -16 is given. Okay. Now we will multiply by 7 in numerator and denominator. Okay. So when we multiply, it comes -112 and by 7. So when we cut students, this we will cut, it becomes what? It becomes -16. Okay, because this 7 will cut, but we will write -112 by 7. Okay. Now this is the rational numbers we have made. Now let's see this one, fifth one. Students, when we multiply with 7 in numerator and denominator, it comes what? Now let's see here. 7. When we multiply with 7 in numerator and denominator, it comes 40. 7 sevens are 49 by 7. So this is the answer. All these are answer. Okay. Now let's see next question. Now 10 express 3 by 5 as a rational number with denominator. Okay. Now students, in this here is integers form is given 20. Okay. Means this is rational numbers is given. We have to change in again rational number. Okay. With this integers. Now here is one example is given. Okay. 3 by 5 is multiplying by 4 by 4. Because 20 we have to make in denominator. Okay, because it's saying rational numbers with denominator. Means this all are written in the denominator form. Okay, so we have to change in we have to find the numerator. Okay, so students, 3 by 5 when we multiply with 4, it becomes 20. So it means when we multiply with denominator, same number we will multiply with numerator. Okay, so it becomes 3 into 4, 12. Again see here. 3 by 5, we are multiplying with -7. It becomes -35. Okay. This fifth one is. So, when we multiply with again -7 in numerator, it becomes -21. So, we have find it numerator. Okay. Now, students, let's do third one. Okay. Third one. See here. What is the question is? 45. 45. Okay. 45 is given. When we multiply 45, we have to find this in denominator. Okay. And question is saying 3 by 5. What we will multiply with 5, that we get 45. Okay. So students, when we multiply with 7 with 5, means 7 5 ja 35. Sorry. 7 no. Means 9 students. Okay. 9. So 5 into 9, it becomes 45. So when we multiply with 9 denominator, we will again multiply with numerator also. So it becomes 9 3s are 27. So the answer is 27 by 45. Okay. Now next, this one you will do and you will try. Okay. Now students, let's do 11th one. Express 4 by 7 as a rational numbers with numerator. Now this all we will write in numerator and we have to find denominator. Okay. Let's see. Here is hint is given. Okay. First you will see this one. Now in numerator 12 is first is again. So when we multiply with 3 in 4, what we get? We get 12. Okay. When we multiply 7 into 3, we get 21. Means 12 we get when we multiply with 3. Okay. So 4 into 3, 12. 7 into 3, 21. Okay. Now same question, see, minus 16. Okay, now 4 by 7 is given. Okay, means in numerator is given minus 16. So what we will multiply with 4, it becomes minus 16, means minus 4 when we multiply, because here is plus sign. Okay, so we have to find minus, so we will multiply minus in both numerator and denominator. So we get minus 16 by minus 28. Now students, let's do which question? We do fourth one. Okay, that is minus 20. So see here, we will do fourth one, minus 20. So in question what is given? 4 by 7. Okay, but in numerator what we will write? Minus 20. So what we will multiply with what we will multiply with this, that we get minus 20, that is 5. Okay, but here is minus sign. Okay, so sorry, here we will multiply with minus. Okay, so minus 5 when we multiply with numerator, then we will multiply with denominator also. So what we get? 7 5s are 35, and this minus sign. Okay, so the answer is minus 20 by minus 35. Okay, this is the answer. Now students, let's do 12th one. Find x such that here is some equation is given. We have to find the value of x. Okay, now let's see. Here is some hint is given. Okay, that means 3 by 2 is equal to x by 14. Okay, when we multiply with cross multiplication also we can do, and other method also we can do. Means in here, see students, in denominator what is given? 14. So what we will multiply in this? We get 14. Here is given 7. Okay, when we multiply 7 with this, it becomes 14. Okay, so when we multiply in denominator, then also we have to multiply with numerator also. So what we get? 21 by 14 is equal to x by 14. So this 14 we will cut, both denominator are same, that's why. So the x value becomes 21. Okay, now let's see again this. Here in numerator is minus 15. Okay, so we have to what multiply with minus 5, it becomes minus 15, that is 3. Okay, when we multiply 3 in numerator and denominator, what we get? We get minus 15 by 9. Okay, so minus 15 we will cut, and answer will be x is equal to 9. Okay, now let's do first one. Okay, that is minus 2 by 3 is equal to 6 by x. Okay, now let's see here students. I have already said that we can do by cross multiplication also. Okay, means when we multiply cross multiplication, see, this x we will multiply with this. Okay, cross multiplication. Okay, so it becomes minus 2x. When we multiply with 3 into 6, it comes 6 into 3. Okay, now this minus 2 come in denominator. Okay, so x is equal to 6 into 3 by minus 2. So we will cut this 2 in table 2. 6 comes 3 times, so we have written minus 3. Okay, because here is minus sign. So minus 3 into minus 3 into 3, it comes minus 9. Therefore the answer is minus 2 by 3 is equal to what? What we get? We get 6 by minus 9. Okay, and we will write minus 6 by 9. Means students, the value of x is what? 9. Okay, now let's see next method. Okay, we will write do this question in second method also. Means in numerator we have to change, that's why because we will cut this one. Okay, so the answer will be the same as the denominator. Okay, now when we multiply with 3, it comes 6. Okay, when we multiply with 3, what we get? We get 9. So this 6 cut, the value of x is minus 9. Okay, now let's see fourth one students. Next question 2, 3 you will do. Okay, try students. Now fourth I will teach you. Means minus 48 by x is equal to 6. This is the question. Okay, it is no denominator, so we will write 1. Okay, so let's see what we multiply with 6. So it becomes 48 minus 48. We will multiply with minus 8. It comes minus 48. Okay, so when we multiply numerator, we will multiply also in denominator. So what we get when we multiply both with minus 8? It comes minus 48 by minus 8. So this minus 48, this minus 48 we will cut. So what will be remaining? So it becomes x is equal to minus 8. Therefore x is equal to minus 8. Now students, let's do 13. Okay, 13 question. What is saying? Express each of the following rational numbers to the lowest term. Okay, here is some rational numbers given. We have to find lowest term. Okay, so here is some example is given. Okay, but this you can try. I tell you some other method also. Now student, let's see first one here. 12 by 15 is given question. Okay, let's see solution. Okay, but we have to find HCF also, so that easy we can do. Okay, now how we will find HCF? When we multiply 12 by 15, it comes 12 comes, first time we will take, because this is greater value. When we multiply 12 into 2, it comes 24. So it is becomes smaller. So we will take only first. So 12 into 1, we will write 12. Now what is remaining? 3. So we will multiply 3 with this 12. Okay, so it comes 4. It will come. Means last one is 3. We have divided with 3 last now. So the HCF of 12 and 15, it comes 3. Okay, means when we divide 12 divide by 3, 15 divide by 3, we find lowest term. Okay, or students, you know, also know in the table 3, 12 also come, 15 also come. In table 3, 12 comes how many times? 4 times. Or 15 comes how many times? It comes 5 times. So direct also you can also cut it, but some greater numbers is given, so you will be difficult to find. So this method you will do. Now see here, third one. Okay, second students, you will try. Now see third one, 13 third. Okay, so minus 48 by minus 72. So first we will divide. Okay, so it first time we have taken, what is remaining? 24. When we multiply with this, sorry, divide by this, it comes 2 times. So the HCF of 48 and 72 is 24. So we have dividing again. So it comes minus 2 by minus 3. Okay, because in table 24, students, you know, it comes 2 times. 24 in table 24, it comes 3 times. So the answer is minus 2 by minus 3. So this minus cut, answer will be 2 by 3. So this is the method for some longer question, and if you know the tables, you can direct also cut and you get the answer. Now students, see 14. Express each of the following rational numbers in the standard form. Now students, you know what is standard form? A rational number is said to be a standard form if its denominator is positive in lowest term. In this question, only you have to change numerator. Okay, here only you have to change numerator. Here, see here, when we this sign we will cut, it becomes 7 by 8 also. So we have, what is saying standard form? A rational number is said to be a standard form if denominator is positive. So we have to make denominator as positive. But see here, when we cut this one, both are positive. So direct we will write 7 by 8. Okay. Now let's see this one, 5 by minus 12. In denominator, see what is given? Negative sign. So we have to change this. So it becomes minus 5 by 12. So that it comes in standard form. Now let's see this one, minus 7 by minus 20. Minus cut. So what will be the 7 by 20 we will write. So in this 20 will be positive, so this is standard form. Now let's see here. 4 by minus 9. This minus I am writing here minus 4. So minus 4 by 9. So 9 is positive, so it becomes standard form. Now students, see here. You will write like this. Okay. Standard form. Okay. Thank you.